Today we're going to go from this ratty old thrift store find to this amazing acrylic paint holder for my craft room. I don't know about you, but a lot of the thrift stores around me have all kinds of cool storage, wooden things like this. I find a whole bunch of them. In fact, I have 3 projects going right now. But this is the one I wanted to get started first because I needed a really cool place to save my acrylic paints. So the first step was to paint the whole thing white with chalk paint. And the reason I love chalk paint is because I'm super lazy and I do not want to have to strip the varnish off the unit and then sand it and cheesecloth. Cheesecloth freaks me out. So when you use the chalk paint, you can just paint right over varnish and it applies a sticky coating. Now you need to give it plenty of time to dry so you don't wind up with with chunks that come out or pieces that fall off of that paint. Next thing was to pick what colors to paint the insides, and I figured I'd go with a rainbow version. And last but not least, I used an acrylic paint pen to clean up all the little dings and overflows that I had on the white paint. All right, so I have been going and changing this little section of my craft room / office, and I'm working on, I wanted to get my acrylic paints into something that would be much easier to kind of manage and see them. I'm a super visual person, and so if I can see them, I know what I have and I know what I need. Obviously, I use a lot of red and orange because I'm running out of that, and then I could probably use some yellow. I have a whole bunch of gold, but it's so funny, when I made my rainbow, I added pink and 2 blues, and I never even thought of how I needed black and white, right? Or even brown. So, you know, if you have 9 cubby holes, you definitely can do a little bit with it. And then you kind of have to, you know, punt a little bit on the other colors. But I am thrilled with how this turned out. That is one of my decorative boxes underneath that's holding it up. And just the amount of storage, I have to figure out how to organize that bottom one, and I'm sure I'll come up with something fun. But just the amount of acrylic paint storage that I got with this. And then the coolest thing is, and this was a happy accident, look at the purple, you can just see it. 9 will fit in there perfectly. So I could fill up this whole box with a rainbow of colors and have just the most amazing acrylic paint, cheap acrylic paint storage. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.